So what you have here is a 2-tower system that has the entire kill chain. We have RF detection system with the D-drone sensors. We have active radar, so you have an ability to find drones that are being operated with radio frequency or without radio frequency. So if it's a tethered drone, the radar can pick up the drone itself. So 2 means of detection, tracking, and IDing the drone. You have a EO IR optic, so you can have visual imagery of the system as it's flying. And then additionally, from there, once you have the detect, track, and ID, you start with the mitigation. This is the Blue Halo Titan system. It will jam both RF and GPS, so depending on how the drone is being operated. And then we have our C2 network right here. We utilize a system called D-Drone Tracker. What it will do is it'll mesh network all of this sensor data into one common operating picture. So you can have it on a tablet or a phone, and you can see the operator and the operator. You can see where the drone is, and you can actually pull the feed down all in one screen. This can be scaled. This can be a standalone where you have just RF and GPS jamming. So you could have just one tower. If you want the radar and the camera, you have to have a second tower. These systems can be scaled more or less. If you don't even want the jammer and you just want the sensor, you can just go sensor only, so you can only get the detection, but no way to mitigate it. So if you depending on the environment, what you're authorized to do, you can have just sensors. This is one of 5 different sensors that we actually own. So we have sensors that will be geared more toward a certain frequency band or a spectrum band, where other sensors, if you have multiple sensors, we can have the entire frequency to the low megahertz to the higher gigahertz. So this is a expeditionary tower. These systems combined come into 11 carrying cases. So somewhat easy to move, mobile. You can move it a couple hundred meters. It's not going to be that much. It'll take you about 20 to 30 minutes to set up, and then network in, and then you go start operating immediately.
Fully understand. Yeah. So the back